You've built your React project. Now it's time to make it live. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to deploy a React template to Netlify, add a custom domain, and get HTTPS, all in under 5 minutes. This method works for any React template, including ones from Crafted Template or your own projects. Here's what we'll cover: how to connect your React project to Netlify, how to build and deploy it, how to add a custom domain in SSL, and how to automatically redeploy when you push updates. This works on Netlify's free plan, perfect for portfolios, landing pages, and small apps. First, make sure your React project is ready to build. Open your terminal inside your project folder and run npm run build. This creates a build folder with production-ready files, HTML, CSS, and optimized JS. If you don't have React script installed or you're using Vite, use npm run build. Now, go to netlify.com and log in using your GitHub or GitLab account. Click Add New Site, then import an existing project. Then choose GitHub and select your project repository. If your repo isn't connected yet, push it first using the commands you see below. Netlify automatically detects your React project. Build command, npm run build. Publish directory, build, click deploy site. Netlify will install dependencies, run the build command, and publish your site. Once done, you'll see a public URL like https://your-site-name.netlify.app. Open it in your browser. Your React site is now live. To add your own domain, go to your site's domain settings, then click Add Custom Domain. Type your domain name, for example, mywebsite.com. Netlify will show you the DNS records to update at your registrar, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Once the DNS records propagate, your domain will be linked automatically with free SSL HTTPS. Whenever you push new changes to your GitHub repo, Netlify automatically rebuilds and redeploys your site. No manual uploads. Every Git push becomes a live update. That's it. Your React site is live on Netlify with custom domains, SSL, and automatic updates. In the next Hosting Academy video, we'll deploy using Render, which supports both static and back-end applications, perfect for full-stack projects. Don't forget, the full written tutorial is on the Crafted Template website. Link is in the description. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. This helps us continue to do what we're doing. You should also visit our website, craftedtemplate.com, to get free templates for your projects, business, and clients.